Contestants, please be careful while cutting, chopping, frying. So let me repeat the parameters you will be judged on. Presentation is there, innovation is there, cleanliness is also there. Our judge will take a round in some time. So please keep your stations clean. And the last parameter is taste of your dish.
Indian authentic.
My kids and all age groups. Very happy हमेशा ध्यान रखिए हेल्दी और
Ajanta. Yeah, so how's it going? What are you making?
Excuse me, trying to make veg dumpling.
Okay. You're making vegetarian dumplings. And you're making the flour, the batter yourself for the dumplings. And that's it?
Yeah, like flour.
Okay, so all the best because you know the parameters of.
I'm also very much anxious for my baby just 4 months old.
Okay. I hope you're not thinking about him all right now. You need to focus and get this
I
right.
know that being a mom is also
Difficult. I wish you all the best, but ingredients के हिसाब से but आपको पता है ना कि इसमें one of the parameters is innovation, so your recipe should be a little innovative. I know you all know. तो लेकिन अगर देखो जो जितना हम जज कर रहे हैं उसमें एक जजमेंट का जो क्राइटेरिया है वो है इनोवेशन यानी कि कुछ नया तो आपको लग रहा है जो आप रेसिपी बना रहे हैं वो कुछ नया होगा पहले सांस ले लीजिए नर्वस कर रही हैं ये आपको साइड में खड़े होकर नहीं क्या बना रहे हैं बताइए
मैं पुलाव बना रहा हूँ कोरिएंडर पुलाव इसके साथ में फिंगर गोश्त का डिप होगा बेल पेपर का डिप होगा साथ में फ्राइड
हाँ ओह वाह फैंटास्टिक फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद ना बहुत सुना हमने आपके बारे में ऑल द बेस्ट कीप इट अप हाय
I'm trying to give, I'm taking a regional dish and I'm elevating it to the Western style. My dish is basically akki roti taquitos. So I'm taking the concept of quesadilla and instead of tortilla base, I'm taking this akki roti as tortilla base and taquitos concept like swirl, taquito swirl.
Fantastic. So what is this taki roti?
Akki roti.
Akki roti.
Yeah, akki roti is basically rice-based roti. Yeah, rice flour-based roti. So that's
Wow.
yeah.
Yummy. Sounds great. All the best. Okay. So I missed out on you, Willie. I like your style of your spectacles. But yeah, to cook. Yeah. Okay, okay. Okay, fantastic. Okay, and what are you making now? So, Vidya, I completely understand what you're saying, but as I understand also that you're doing 3 dishes right now, so make sure that all whatever you're cooking should be in very well.
My first 2 rounds were main course. So I thought I'd take this time.
So the contestants, we have kept Rajma at the corner. We are getting chani also.
Very simple. Please let me tell you that there are contestants here who have some amazing ideas which they're working on. So please be sure of what you're making. And innovation is an important part of judgment.
सॉरी
So you यू मेक कुछ भी इतना सिंपल ना बनाइए जो बहुत ही सिंपल हो।
So contestants, you have almost 1 hour. Request to everyone, not only the audience but also the Big Bazaar authorities also, not to use this space because we have a camera over there. This space will be only used by जिसे आप इसमें दे सकते हो.
थोड़ा ध्यान रखिए। Alright, fantastic. Okay, so Marcel, we're done involved. It's a hectic, but yeah, fantastic. All the best. Very good. So first dish that is ready, and that's sorted vegetables. Yes, you have a lot of time. You have a lot of time. Yeah. Think about it. I'm sure you can do that. Yes, Ms. Parul, please tell me, where have you reached? अच्छा, खाने को नीट उसके पैनकेक्स बना रहे हैं और ये स्टफिंग है उसके अंदर। Okay. Perfect. Yes. काफी कुछ हमसे सीख कर जाएंगे। If nothing else अपने घर के लिए या for yourself आप काफी कुछ सीखने जाएंगे। तो टिकट के अंदर क्या सारा बाइंग से होगा। ओके, तो आपको ध्यान रखना होगा अच्छा ना रहे, या तो हम इसे भूल के डालें और या फिर इसके बजाय कुछ और कर देंगे। हाँ, मैदा डालेंगे। पानी में करेगा कुछ अगर मैदा कॉर्नफ्लावर ज़्यादा डालेंगे। सारे लोग हैं और क्या चाहिए? ओके, अजंता यू विल बी अ नाइस डिश। बहुत टाइम होता है, बहुत 50 मिनट, कभी भी 50 मिनट है। 50 लोगों का खाना बना सकते हैं। नहीं होगा ना? नहीं 50 हम तक नहीं खाएंगे। Fantastic. All the best. थोड़ा स्पीड बढ़ा सकते हैं, क्वांटिटी कम कर सकते हैं, that will help you.
Swati, I think you have kept your gas on, your induction on. Please be careful.
So then, yeah, what is happening? Rice is boiling. What are these ready?
Garnish.
So you're a passionate cook, or you want to become a chef, or you want to become a chef? So are you studying? Oh, you was a fantastic.
I am from Gujarat, so I made this.
Fantastic. But make sure whatever you're making, that everything should be in sync with each other. Or are you giving me a 3-course meal? What? It's a 3-course meal, but every... Okay, fantastic. You're getting a 3-course from you. Fantastic. All the best. You're going well now. Don't go on speed because you have too many things to do. Yes. Some Mexican here. Yeah. Indo-Mexican. I love Mexican food. I love Mexican food, but I have my favorite places of Mexican cuisine. Yeah, it's a very good cuisine.
Few of the Mexican herbs are missing here. Yeah, it's just the filling which makes a difference. That's why.
Yeah.
I've used broccoli and mushroom
Okay.
for the
Filling.
yeah.
Yeah.
So and I'm making it as a swirl, and I have some of the sorted vegetables.
Maybe perhaps like, I don't know.
Renowned actress, and yes, of course, not only a talented actress but a super mom and a loving wife as well.
How do you know? Where do you want me to go?
Hi, nice to meet you. Hi. And this is season 2, no?
Yeah.
7.
Yeah.
The last few seconds are left. I request Sona ma'am to kindly take a seat. A warm welcome, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us here today.
I don't know where this voice is coming from. It's
So requesting all the contestants, all the family members to please be seated station
I'm
itself.
not an expert at all. But
Your dish at your station.
no, I live, actually eat
Keep
also.
your dish at your station itself. Contestants' time is up.
Today I'm more, yeah. So today I'm pushing the limits
step
and
back.
trying things. Kunal was laughing.
Ma'am, time is up. Step
I
back.
can't believe that you was new to this.
All the contestants, keep your dish at your station
If I
itself.
like something, I want to have it again.
Judges will come to your station.
And they're to mix up everything. So they're making all kinds of dishes. Limitations, no boundaries. Did you set any kind of? They just have limited ingredients. And but to that, is it like a challenge, like to work without some station? No. They just have to create something that they don't. It's their innovation, so they've just done anything that they want to push them, and they'll get something different parts of India. Yeah.
Alright, so all the contestants have done with the dishes. Please be at your station to judge the dish. आप अपने अपने स्टेशन पे सब लोग. Are you guys ready? Yes? A huge round of applause first of all for all the contestants. Start with the first table.
Yes.
Yeah. It's over there at the right hand side.
A lot of vegetables like cauliflower, cabbage, carrot, beans.
So since you're such a big foodie,
What kind of sauce is that?
Tomato
sauce. And what is that?
It is butter, lemon butter.
lemon butter.
So I need to pick this up.
Yeah.
You need to drop it in this, of course, in a really elegant way. I think I will. Just like this. No, that looks like an adequate amount of sauce.
Yeah, you want to try the lemon butter?
So this is the coating is what? Just white rice. Nothing more. And what part of India? I'm originally from Bengal, but I'm participating from Indore.
Indore, a big foodie station.
Yes. I think the presentation is very original. I like the way
What are these? What are these?
No, the bread together. So I can see that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ajanta, it's a great dish. I mean, the flavors are really different, but the rice is still uncooked. It's not cooked properly. It had to be steamed and it would have puffed out and it would have been like properly cooked, but it's not edible. It's undercooked. And the lemon butter is, presentation, yes, it's really cute, I would say. But I think it would have definitely done something more.
I feel like maybe it also lacks a little bit of a punch in the flavor. Like I felt the flavors were all perhaps on one level or one tone, and maybe there could have been something with a little. I mean, not spices, not to everyone's taste, but something that like popped out a little bit more. But I do like the presentation.
Yeah, and second thing is that when I was going to your stations, I already told you that it's the finale. I mean, you have to push yourself to get something really nice on the plate. Not just, but it's fantastic. It's fantastic, and you're a great chef. You're going to do great.
Well done.
Thank you. Well done. Thank you.
Parvaz, all the very best.
With these ingredients, these veggies, beetroot also. You can eat this pancake, including spinach and beetroot. Stuffing is beetroot and
This looks good as well.
yes, it's salsa.
We're going to give you a look at chaloge. ठीक है, चलेगा?
Are you going to eat the entire thing?
Probably not. I'm going to try and do this delicately. I think I'm doing quite well.
Very well, very well. Awesome.
And I'm going to, what is the stuffing in this?
Stuffing is full of beetroot, spinach and paneer.
और इसमें ज़्यादा spice तो नहीं है ना इसमें? बस, I just need to be warned.
Black pepper.
Yeah, I like it.
And this is pickle, zucchini pickle, achar, zucchini.
You can. Is that different than this?
Yes, because this is salsa. This is
The
stuffing.
same?
Yes, stuffing. वो same है, एक different है. Another is same.
Actually, with the salsa, you can.
Yes. Three types of pancakes.
But you can call it a tomato dip. I think salsa becomes too, in Spanish, and it's really a
देसी इस्तेमाल किया सादा धनिया है। अब देखिए धनिया जब हम खाते हैं तो बहुत हेल्दी करता है बच्चों को। बच्चे क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है अलग से टेस्ट है।
आपने लौंग किसमें डाला है?
लौंग मैंने इसमें डाला था थोड़ा सा, वो मैंने भून लिया था पहले, उसको भून कर डाला था मैंने इसके अंदर स्टफिंग के अंदर। जो ये वाली स्टफिंग है बीटरूट और स्पिनच, इसमें लौंग और काली मिर्च और जीरा थोड़ा रोस्ट करके तब स्टफिंग में भरा। इसमें भुना जीरा, ऑरिगेनो और चिली फ्लेक्स।
I think finale. I mean, it's fantastic. जो हमने बनाया है, it's healthy, all of that. But कोई सिंक नहीं है, सारी चीजें इकट्ठे मिलाकर. I mean, there's no sink in it.
Because pancake with salsa.
I mean, I'm
Without
saying
sauce, I don't have ketchup.
because pancake with that filling,
Yes.
is perfect on its own. You can one day find this achar is more like a substitute.
Side dish हो गया,
Right.
side
So
dish.
ये इतना चीजों का जरूरत नहीं था. ये मैं आपको
I
कह रही
have
हूँ.
more time. I have much time.
Yeah, that is why I was
So
thinking that perhaps अगर आप कुछ ऐसा बनाते, like कुछ लोग यहाँ पे 3 course meal बना रहे हैं, कुछ लोग यहाँ पे सिर्फ snacks बना रहे हैं. So at least there's a theme to what they're cooking. You know what I'm saying? It's fantastic. It's a great idea. It's super healthy. But for a finale, the kind of dish we are looking at, आप लोग इतने सारे पड़ाव पार करके आए हैं, वो जो देख रहे हैं ना, that element where I say like, wow, this is mind blowing. That thing is good.
Yeah. I think
कि मुझे भी वो लगा कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं टेबल पे एंड थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन इन टर्म्स ऑफ द फ्लेवर्स आई रियली लाइक इट आई थिंक फ्लेवर्स टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा था मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आई थिंक again the presentation perhaps was a little bit lacking
Because I want to share this.
to share everything
कि मैं उसको भी बुलाना चाहती थी सॉस की जगह उसको सासा को और एक पैनकेक के साथ मैंने उसको
पाउडर पंजाब का डिश देख के क्या लग रहा है कि you know too much about food. आपके अंदर इतने सारे आइडियाज और इतना सारा टैलेंट है आप सब कुछ शोकेस करना चाहते हैं which landed up in a little bit of everything you know थोड़ा स्ट्रीमलाइन रहे एक जगह फोकस कर थैंक यू
well done Parag.
Thank you.
The very best.
And you and you okay
Start off with basically baking is my favorite. Actually, I tried to do something different. Honestly, I am into exotic desserts and baking. That's what I like. Second, I thought depending on when I feel smaller, that my friends keep coming in and keep giving me orders also. Yes, we have a birthday party. Just go in for it. I'm a teacher by profession. Today I tried doing something different and I thought I don't want to use rice, so rice main course, and I've already done 2 main course rounds before, so I tried starters, appetizers. Small
so it's a risk to take to not
but
go with your strengths for the
that's what we
finale
are here for. I'm loving it.
yeah absolutely you know if you are into cooking then you cook
And I try not to incorporate too many flavors in any one. There is always scope for improvement, and I'm right.
okay thank you
So this is mushrooms with sausage mushrooms with different kinds of peppers
and what about this
This is cottage cheese. This is cheese
ये
brown
क्या?
sauce. ये मेरे से garnishing के लिए use किया मैंने.
this is also cottage cheese
This is cottage. The main dish is this recipe. This is with bread paste with stuffing. I've done the stuffing with broccoli.
so there's
Onions and broccoli with a little brown cheese sauce. Cheese is not available, so I used all-purpose flour, milk, and cream to
create a sort of cheesy
cheese texture. With this.
what about that
This is this is stuffing. I made a stuffing for the bread.
okay and what is on top
And then I made a sauce with the tomato puree
yeah
and whipped cream. So a substitute for mayonnaise. And this is again stuffing is broccoli and chopped onions. That's it. This is ginger flavor. That's garlic. Entire garlic.
One more ingredient use कर सकते हैं, but continuously अगर हम उसमें नहीं stir करते हैं तो वो फट जाएगा.
I've enjoyed your dish very much.
Thank you, ma'am. So nice.
And Anuradha ma'am was multitasking. Let me see that.
और इंस्पिरेशन अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड है
White.
what is the name of the dish
Because it's with the cheese.
I like your presentation, yes. Taste is really nice. Oh, vada was really nice. Yeah. The sauce is amazing, rice is really good, presentation is also well done. But we are yet to announce the winner. Don't get excited. We have competition.
And I think it's a strong dish. Yash.
Alright, everyone.
साना बताइए अपने डिश के बारे में बताइए
इसमें चाइनीज क्या है
इंडियन चाइनीज है
It's very nice. बहुत अच्छा है. और this is a spring roll. This is a normal ketchup, the sauce, or?
Normal ketchup.
Spring roll थोड़ा fusion spring roll है. It's fantastic. I'm not saying it's bad. थोड़ा desi touch है.
More Indian than
Yeah,
Chinese.
but it's more Indian than Chinese, but it's really good. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah.
But Chinese में लाल मिर्ची वो सब नहीं डालते.
Desi kitchen में but it's fantastic. So my surprise, it's really nice. बहुत अच्छा है. Feeling भी अच्छा. Taste बहुत अच्छा. Thank you.
But it was very nice. The flavor was very nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
So I would like to ask Shibra ma'am, what did you like the most in his dish?
Okay, yes, for everyone here because it was, I mean, I should be crystal clear because we had certain
Let's pay attention, please.
we had certain criteria for the winner, and Theria's dish had everything. It had the dish in itself was complete. The way he had presented it was fantastic, and it tasted really good. And next to him was alright.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, was,
Very close.
Very close was Swati's dish. Swati, I have to say that presentation was amazing. Everything was fantastic. The only element missing was it wasn't a complete dish. There was something amiss. It was delicious. It was presented well. Everything.
It was a balanced dish. I like the fact that it was innovative and it brought an element of fusion to it. So the flavors, I think, were complex also. There was a bite to it, so it was very tasty as well as complete, as well as balanced. And I thought the presentation was very delicate, which I said also. So it was all very small. The chilla, the zucchini rolls, it was very nice to eat. So congratulations.
Yeah. According to you, was it closer to there?
Well, it was again, I think our scoring was actually pretty similar. And Swati was just, actually just behind. I think it was just a question of a point or two. Because it was very similar in terms of her dish was also very tasty and was also very innovative with the fusion and the quesadilla and the Karnataka mix. So that's why it was very close between the two of them. Again, I do have to say that I enjoyed sampling all of the dishes though. And as everyone has said time and time again, they've made it through so many contestants to be here. So all of them, of course, are winners today.
Yes, absolutely right. Hello, finally coming to you. How are you feeling? Out of Are you gonna cry? No? No, not at all. Where is your brother? Hi! Finally, your brother is here. Please come here. Join us. Photo के लिए चलिए.
Okay, kitchen superstars. I think it is a great effort by Big Bazaar to organize such an event. बहुत अच्छा था. Participants were really excited to do new things. There's a lot of innovation and energy on the floor, which was fantastic.
मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. आई थिंक दैट ये अभी सेकंड सीजन में है. आई थिंक देयर मेनी सीजन्स अहेड. मैं एक्सपर्ट तो नहीं हूँ जैसे कि शिप्रा मैम है, लेकिन आई रियली एंजॉय टेस्टिंग द फूड एंड आई थिंक द फाइनलिस्ट हैव कम अ लॉन्ग वे. 7 लोग चुने गए 80,000 में से, तो इट्स अ बिग डील फॉर ऑल ऑफ देम. एंड एक्चुअली सारे लोगों से रिलेट तो करने का मौका नहीं मिला क्योंकि हम 2-2 मिनट के लिए मिल रहे थे, लेकिन खाना जो मुझे एक सैम्पल करने का मौका मिला, फ्रॉम दैट यू कैन सी दैट दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पैशन फॉर कुकिंग. अपने फैमिलीज़ के लिए कुक कर रहे थे अब तक, लेकिन अभी उनको एक बहुत बड़ा मंच मिला है टू शोकेस their talents. And I got a chance to sample a little different regional delicacies also. Some of them also brought in a fusion element, Mexican के साथ Indian को mix भी किया. Flavors बहुत अच्छे थे. कुछ लोगों का presentation बेहतर था, कुछ लोगों का टेस्ट और फ्लेवरिंग बेटर था. सो इट वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर मी.
And plus, since food has become such a big, area or sect now in India, it's really important कि ऐसे और competitions हों, जैसे अभी बिग बाजार ने किया. It really gives a lot of energy to people also. काफ़ी motivate करते हैं लोगों को अच्छा खाना बनाने के लिए. Not just for home, but on a public level also. और ऐसे ही हमने देखा है, ऐसे ही competition से काफ़ी सारे chefs निकल के आते हैं और अपने restaurants या कुछ ना कुछ outlets खोलते हैं, and they become so successful. So it is a very good, I think, a booster, to all the people to give them a direction, a positive direction. And of course, ताकि और भी लोग कुकिंग को अपना एक प्रोफेशन बनाएं, जो कि कम था इंडिया में. देयर वर ओनली मेन हु यूज्ड टू डू इट, बट अब विमेन भी कर रही हैं. सो ऐसे कंपटीशन काफ़ी हेल्दी रहते हैं. बहुत सारी, बिकॉज बहुत सारी ऐसा लग रहा था, बट हम लोग काफ़ी फ्लोर पे काफ़ी स्ट्रेस रहते थे और ये कंटेस्टेंट्स एकदम रिलैक्स थे. लाइक दे वर एट ईज, दे न्यू व्हाट दे आर डूइंग एंड ऑल दैट. वो डिफरेंस था. बट येस, व्हेन द क्लॉक इज टिकिंग एंड यू वांट टू गेट समथिंग रियली आउट ऑन द फ्लोर, यू आर सो नर्वस और वो एनर्जी अलग होती है. सो डेफिनेटली काफ़ी सारी मेमोरीज रिफ्रेश हो गई.
एक्चुअली सब तो जानते हैं कि मैं खाना कम बनाती हूँ घर पे, क्योंकि कुणाल ने सबको बता दिया कि मैं खाना कम बनाती हूँ घर पे. लेकिन मुझे सबको खुश रखना और देखना अच्छा लगता है, इसीलिए मैं खाना कम बनाती हूँ. लेकिन कुछ चीज़ें मैं बना सकती हूँ. मैं येलो दाल बहुत अच्छा बनाती हूँ, और मैं एक इटालियन डिश है स्पेगेटी आली ओलियो, वो बहुत अच्छा मैं बनाती हूँ. सिंपल लगता है लेकिन काफ़ी कॉम्प्लेक्स है. शिप्रा जी आपको बताएंगे कि बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स है, बट आई थिंक दैट आई एम वेरी गुड एट दैट. और वो कुणाल खुशी खुशी खा लेते हैं. मुझे खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. लाइक दे से हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, आइदर यू लिव फॉर फूड और यू live to eat or you eat to live. So I do also live to eat.
And eat to live.
And I eat to live, but I enjoy good food. But मेरे कुछ favorites हैं. नहीं सैलड नहीं, मुझे कुछ मेरे कोई फेवरेट डिशेस हैं. जैसे really well baked chocolate cake, like a warm gooey chocolate cake is something that I love. Yellow dal is something that I love. A well made tandoori chicken is something that I love. वो मैं हर दिन same food खा सकती हूँ, बार बार खा सकती हूँ. वो तो सब आजकल सब मेंटेन करते हैं, सिर्फ एक्टर लोग नहीं. मैं योगा में बिलीव करती हूँ और योगा बहुत सालों से करते आई हूँ. तो आई थिंक योगा इज़ वेरी गुड. सिर्फ आपको कपड़े में फिट नहीं करना है, आपको फिट रहना है. तो आई थिंक दैट योगा इज़ गुड फॉर दैट.
मैं तो फूड ही हूँ. आई कुक. इनफैक्ट समबडी आस्क्ड मी कि आप जब फ्री होते हैं तो क्या करते हैं. सो आई वाज लाइक जब मैं फ्री होती हूँ, इधर आई एम ट्राइंग न्यू डिशेस और आई एम डूइंग डिशेस फॉर माई बुक or I'm doing dishes for my YouTube channel. So I'm cooking all the time. I realize I'm cooking all the time. So I'm a big foodie. I love food. और एक cuisine नहीं, मुझे हर तरीके की cuisine पसंद है. तो it's really difficult to boil down like कि मुझे दाल ज़्यादा पसंद है या चिकन ज़्यादा पसंद है.
वो तो क्योंकि मुझे सिर्फ 2-3 चीज़ आते हैं, इसीलिए मेरे लिए बहुत easy है.
So it's difficult, but yes, I'm a big foodie.
Thank you.